I mean, and you guys...
It's not that much wider than the normal route, but it's probably an extra 20 meters or so. Just gives us what we need.
As long as your guys are tracking, you know.
And like it's like another hindrance to get them from being able to cut.
So they were able to cut here. We welded up through the sides, put these ones on, like at an angle like this, weld those onto it. They're on the right setup, I think. Grab the weapon. Yeah.